Here's 5 people / groups that you probably didn't know were gay.
One.
Cowboys. Most of them were queer. A lot of them. They even invented the bachelor wedding, which was their form of a union between 2 men, 2 cowboys. Yet somewhere throughout history, we just totally ignored this stuff happened and made them like the epitome of masculinity. Although being queer and not being masculine are not connected.
2.
The Sacred Band of Thebes, which was a Spartan group of warriors that were all only in male relationships, usually with each other, because they would fight for their life if their love was with them. And somehow history turned this into heterosexual. A band that is held together by the friendship between lovers is indissoluble and not to be broken, since lovers are ashamed to play the coward before their beloved and both stand firm in danger to protect each other. Your beloved is not your friend.
3.
And then we get the Boston marriage, which clearly was a female marriage that happened in the Boston area, but was mainly among scholarly women and was used to also just have independence and freedom from the oppression of men.
4.
And just one more instance of a superhero organization of people that we consider to be the epitome of heterosexuality is pirates, that were just a lot of queer men. Because what was your option when being queer was punishable by execution, and you had the opposite of being a pirate, going against the grain, going against the law, and also being able to have same-sex relationships? There was even a thing called maitre-litage, which was one of the first forms of gay marriage, as it was a partnership between colonial era pirates to pass on your own belongings to your mate, from the term lady. And number 5, I have a 2 for 1. Michelangelo and Jesus. There are a lot of people that have called Jesus queer throughout history. Michelangelo is one of them. He did so a lot in his artwork. He also messed with gender a lot in his artwork. He's known for having a queer lover. We call it Salieri, or Little Devil. And I'll just throw in one more kicker for the end. James I created the Bible that we know of today, that translation, James. And he said in retaliation to being called queen and queer, Jesus had John and I have Paul, who was his lover. Leave me a comment if there's anybody you want me to deep dive in, share, and like, and follow. I love you, bye!